Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that describes something that prevents progress or success: stymie. It might seem a little unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is stymie. Let's break it down. First, we have stwy, which rhymes with my and sounds like the beginning of style. Next is me, which sounds like the word me. Now let's put it all together: stymie. Try repeating after me: stymie. Now a little faster: stymie. And at full speed: stymie. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Stymie refers to a situation or obstacle that prevents or hinders progress, often used to describe a challenge that blocks forward movement. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce stymie and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. And don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.